Hi everyone, welcome back to the video. Today we're back with how to uninstall, and today is the last episode of 6 beautiful videos. I hope you have enjoyed all of them. If you want to see all of them, I will link the full playlist down in the description box. And today we have how to draw people based on the traits. The last video was about emotions and how to draw people in emotion, but traits is very different because traits is something that makes you, it's a characteristic, yeah, while emotions is something change from time to time. You can be happy, sad and angry in different times. But if you have a character of lazy, or you have a trait of irresponsibility, you are irresponsible all the time, you can't be responsible. That is a trait, that's something that describes you, yeah. Anyway, so I want to draw a man that is aggressive, busy and irresponsible. Actually he's not aggressive, he's lazy, but I don't know why I have written aggressive. Just ignore, I have done lazy. It's not aggressive, it's just I don't know why. And I've done a girl that is beautiful and evil and a fashion lover, yeah. So the first thing I want to give him is this irresponsible style. Like, he's so busy, he's so tired, he wants to sleep, and he's lazy, don't want to make a timetable, he just want to be busy all the time. Well, this girl is just a fashion, but she is an evil, so she give this evil fashion style. I try to make her different from others, so I give her very short hairstyle and black everywhere, and some accessories like earrings and necklace. I give her a very thick eyeliner, and because I think eyeliner make a fashionista and evil, so things matches, yeah. So basically how to select traits, you basically research on Google or anywhere about specific traits, then you draw a character based on them. Just you can select as many traits as you want, but the more the traits, the harder the drawing will be. And never select two traits that they are opposite or they don't match each other, like evil and good, lazy and hardworking, aggressive and calm, because this trait doesn't match together because they are opposite, and even people will find it hard to see an evil good character or a lazy hardworking boy, yeah, it doesn't make sense. That's why it is like not recommended, yeah. Anyway, also I have started a new Instagram section called Sketch. So basically I draw a sketch of me during a specific school day or to describe a specific subject, and I upload it to Instagram. It is just very beautiful and fun to watch. I will link my Instagram down below if you want to follow me up there. So yeah, I love this section. I mean, like, it was really beautiful, the idea. I don't color the sketch, it's just a sketch, it is not a colored piece, yeah. But maybe after some times when I make a lot of sketch, I'll color them. Anyway, so this is the two characters, so beautiful. Let us see the final results, which is, I'm so happy about it. 1 2 3, look how beautiful they are. I love how they came out. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye.